What if the soul of Ferrari could scream at 9,250 revolutions per minute? The 12-cylindry, not merely the successor to the 812, but the apex predator of naturally aspirated glory. Where others surrender to forced induction, Ferrari defies. This is the bloodline unbroken, the Daytona reborn. That iconic black band slashing across the hood, a battle stripe connecting 1968 to 2025. Heritage channeled through carbon fiber and obsession. Beneath that sculpted length lies savagery, a 12-cylindric coupe breathing without turbos, without compromise. 830 horses unleashed at 9,250 RPM. 678 Newton-meters of torque arrive at 7,250 RPM, not for the timid. 0 to 100 disappears in 2.9 heartbeats. Top speed, beyond 340 kilometers per hour, where physics meets philosophy. At just 1,560 kilograms, the coupe doesn't carry weight, it erases it. Carbon ceramic brakes bite through momentum. Rear-wheel steering carves trajectories thought impossible. 21-inch wheels plant 4,733 millimeters of Italian rage across 2,176 millimeters of pure intent. Every surface tells a story. The proportions, long, low, lethal, echo Maranello's golden era while pioneering tomorrow. Inside, the dual cockpit architecture wraps driver and passenger in focused symmetry. Materials chosen not for luxury, but for purpose. Alcantara, carbon, leather. Each surface exists where your hands, your body, demand perfection. Fire it. That 12C doesn't start, it awakens. At 9,000 RPM, the soundtrack transcends mechanical into metaphysical. The vibration through the steering wheel, the scent of brakes cooling from triple digits, the exclusivity of knowing only a chosen few will ever twist this key. This isn't transportation, it's transcendence. The 12-cylindry stands as the ultimate expression of Ferrari's V12 bloodline in 2025, the last naturally aspirated war cry in an electrified world. Limited, uncompromising, unrepentant. This is not a car you buy. It's a statement you make. A lineage you join, a legend you live. Ferrari 12-cylindry, the future of yesterday, the forever of now.